Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in amma ba'd. فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قال الله تعالى في سورة النساء أم لهم نصيب من الملك فإذا لا يؤتون الناس نقيرا. Translation: Or do they have a share in the sovereignty? Then, even if so, they could give nothing to people, nor even a hair of date seed. In this ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is mentioning about the Jews, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said that the Jews do not have any share in the sovereignty. It belongs purely to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, gives to whoever He wills. And if the sovereignty belonged to the Jews, they would not share anything with the people, and they think that they are superior. The Jews think that they deserve the prophethood and nobody else should be given prophethood, but the decision belongs to Allah, and this decision does not come from the Jews, and Allah gives prophethood to whoever He wills. And one thing should be understood, that the prophethood came to the Bani Ismail, and Prophet Muhammad ﷺ was the descendant of Bani Ismail, and the Jews were thinking that the prophethood would come among the Bani Israel as it was being coming in the Bani Israel. But when Allah chose Bani Ismail and gave the prophethood to Muhammad ﷺ, they rejected the prophethood and they rejected Quran, and it shows their arrogance and it shows their corrupt nature. In the next ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, أَمْ يَحْسُدُونَ النَّاسَ عَلَى مَا آتَاهُمُ اللَّهُ مِنْ فَضْلِهِ فَقَدْ آتَيْنَا آلَ إِبْرَاهِيمَ الْكِتَابَ وَالْحِكْمَةَ وَآتَيْنَاهُمْ مُلْكًا عَظِيمًا. Translation: Or are they jealous of the people for what Allah has granted them of His bounty? Let them know we had given the book and wisdom to the family of Ibrahim, and we had granted them a great kingdom. Meaning that Jews are jealous about Prophet Muhammad ﷺ and his companion, who were given the guidance, who were given the Quran, and Prophet Muhammad ﷺ was given the prophethood. And everyone must understand, the Jews must understand, that the book and the wisdom has been given to the family of Ibrahim. When it was given to the Bani Israel, it was the family of Ibrahim alayhi salam, and when it is given to Bani Ismail, it is also the family of Ibrahim alayhi salam. And Allah owns everything, and He gives His blessing to whoever He wills. In the next ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, فَمِنْهُمْ مَنْ آمَنَ بِهِ وَمِنْهُمْ مَنْ صَدَّ عَنْهُ وَكَفَى بِجَهَنَّمَ سَعِيرًا. Translation: Then there were some of them who believed in Him, and some of them who turned away from Him. Enough for later the hell Jahannam of blazing fire. Meaning that among the Jews, people who rejected Islam will be in the hellfire, and those who accepted Islam will be saved from the hellfire. Let's pray that Allah give us true understanding of Quran, and Allah save us from the bad habits and bad attitudes of Jew. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.